Inside this box, ladies and gentlemen, is a special limited edition sneaker that's limited to just 200 pairs. In fact, it didn't even release here in the Philippines or here in Asia. That's why I am incredibly blessed and honored that the brand sent me this pair. So what we'll do for this vlog is we will unbox it, we will check it out, and who knows, maybe I might give it away. So make sure that you guys stay until the very end of the video so you can see what's inside this mystery sneaker package. Let's go! If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we constantly do giveaways on the channel. In fact, we have 3 or 4 ongoing giveaways. We're giving away Jollibee Funko Pops. We're giving away an Oppo A5s. We're giving away Redmi Note 7. We're giving away a bunch more of really cool gadgets. All you guys have to do is to check the links down below in the description box. But please do make sure that you're subscribed and make sure that you follow me on Instagram and join our Facebook group because that's part of the mechanics. And before we get started, let me just give a quick shout out to DJ Big Boy Cheng as well as Secret Fresh and Riff Manila, one of my favorite hoodies. As you guys know, it is hoodie weather right now here in the Philippines, and I'm just excited to be able to break out some of my favorite hoodies for this season. Let's get on with the unboxing. So as you guys see, it comes in this brown carton box, and we will just take our Rambo knife over here. I don't know if you call it a Rambo knife, but yeah, let's just take our knife and cut this box open to be able to see what is inside this mystery sneaker package. Let's hop out and open this bad boy. Boom! Is without a doubt one of the nicest boxes I have ever seen for a sneaker. It comes in this limited edition like newspaper type, I don't know, like what do you call this? Like paper bag. So if you guys can probably already tell, this is actually a sneaker from ANTA in collaboration with Klay Thompson of the NBA. This is the East Bay Times sneaker, limited edition. East Bay Times because it is the favorite newspaper of Klay Thompson over at San Francisco. And it is also, I think, the biggest newspaper over there. Whoa! You have a signed poster of Klay Thompson. Seriously? That is insane, guys. Take a look at that. So you have a signed poster, you have his signature over there with his picture and the sneaker. ANTA Philippines, you guys rock. Thank you. I love you for sending this over. And then we have the actual box. I mean, take a look at that. That is absolutely awesome. So it says here, be like Klay, read the news. Yeah, read the news. So let's see what's inside. You have the signature over there. Man, this is a really nice box, guys. I wasn't expecting this at all. I was expecting your typical, you know, shoe box with nothing inside. But oh, wow. Oh, wait. So that's actually the box of the shoe. Whoa. It's not just a normal carton box. So, wow. And then you have, of course, the tissue paper. Again, using the same newspaper print. And then, oh wow, I keep saying wow, but that really captures my feeling for the shoe. Take a look at that sneaker, guys. That newspaper-inspired sneaker from ANTA and Klay Thompson. It looks dope, man. Now let's take a closer look at this shoe. Now obviously the design is something that will turn heads. You have a print of the newspaper all around with different images of Klay Thompson on the lateral and the middle side. If you take a look at the shoelaces, it says on the right pair, East Bay Times. Of course, that's the newspaper. And you have the ANTA logo, I think the Klay Thompson logo on the other pair. If you take a look at the back, it says there 11, which is, of course, his jersey number. And wow, I'm still at a loss for words for how freaking amazing the shoe looks like. But hey, don't think for a second that this is just a pretty sneaker. In fact, this is filled with a lot of technology from ANTA. So let's start with the midsole. The midsole is the ANTA Flash Foam, which is built to be able to absorb force and improve cushioning when you are running in them, especially if you're running in different directions. So that's what you get with the midsole. The upper is the ANTA web shoe upper, which is stretchy and wraps around your feet comfortably, giving you foot containment as well as superior foot lockdown. So both components are essential, of course, if you are playing basketball. It also has a heel hollow TPU, which is supposed to help you jump better and improves overall heel flexibility. You know, I'm already at the features part, but man, I just really have to keep going on to the design and how they were able to put the sneaker together. Take a look at that outsole. This is one of those shoes that's just so pretty. It's so hard to decide if you will actually wear it or not. Because, wow! Now, as you guys can probably tell, this isn't my size. This is actually a size 8. And I am a size 12, and I wouldn't want a really good pair of sneakers to go to waste and just gather dust here in my house, despite it being, well, what looks to be like a really awesome collector's piece. So here's what we'll do. I'll give it away. I'll raffle it away, and the mechanics will be very simple and straightforward. All you guys have to do, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community, follow ANTA Philippines as well on Instagram, and then just leave a comment down below on why you deserve the sneaker. I will be announcing the winner for this sneaker, well, maybe on August 17 or August 18. I'll put the actual date down below. So yeah, guys, don't forget to be part of it, especially if you do idolize Klay Thompson and if you love playing basketball. This is one of the absolute rarest sneakers that you can add to your shoe closet. Mad props again to ANTA Philippines for sending this over. I mean, I am absolutely blown away that you guys sent me something. So I just want to let you know, to the management of ANTA Philippines, thank you for the trust. Thank you for the privilege of sending such a limited edition sneaker over, well, to me. I'll do my best to be able to give it to somebody who will rock the heck out of this when they play it on court. Before we wrap up the vlog, I just want to unbox one more item or one more package that I received over the weekend. This is from the local brand Kids on the Block. So Kids on the Block is a local streetwear brand here in the Philippines. You can follow them on Instagram, Twitter, and on Facebook. The details you guys can find on this card that I'm flashing on screen. So let's take a look at what's inside this special package that they sent over. So we have 2 shirts. Yeah, there you go. We have 2 basic tees that they sent over for your boy here. We have one in black and we have one in white. If you guys want to order your own, check them out over at Instagram. So you have the black shirt here first. You have Kids on the Block character here up front, KOTB, with the shirt, with the nice sneakers there, and you have the character in a really nice print here at the back as well. This is a really nice quality tee, and I'm excited to wear it. Let's also take a look at the white one. Promises to be also really good. Again, guys, check them out. You can find the details of the brand over on the, well, the details that I showed you earlier. So this one up. Okay, wait, this one I did not expect. So you have Kids on the Block, and you take a look at the back. I think that's me, or I'm not sure. Is that me? I think it's me. It says POW, and it looks like me, but I'm not sure it's me. But yeah, it looks like me. So Kids on the Block, check them out. Details down below. So yeah, guys, that's actually it for our vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed. Again, thanks so much to ANTA Philippines as well as to the local streetwear brand Kids on the Block. I appreciate both of you guys for sending stuff over to feature on the vlog. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.